Good day, guys. Happy weekend to you. If you have been finding it difficult to complete the Base Testnet task, this video is for you. Because in this video, I will show you how you are going to deploy your own smart contract on the Base Goerli network. So, if you look at the top corner of your mobile phone, you will see the link that will lead you to where you can bridge from Goerli Ethereum network to Base Goerli Ethereum. That's the first step. After doing this, then we move on to deploying smart contracts on the Base network using the Remix platform. If you check the video description, I will provide the Medium link where you can get the contract code, as well as a Twitter link that teaches you the step-by-step process. In this video, I'll show you. The links in the video description will be a written teaching. So work with me or welcome. It is very easy to use the Remix platform. All you have to do is take note of the simple steps I will be showing you in this video. When you're on the platform, the first stage is create a workplace. You click on create and then you name it. You can use any name as you prefer. After doing that, you drag your mouse towards create new file. You click on it, then you enter the name and make sure that the name ends with SOL. Then you press enter. After this, then we move to the Discord, the Medium page where we copy the contract code. You copy the contract to Remix, you highlight it, then you Ctrl C, which is copy. After copying that, you go back to the Remix page, you right click, then paste. After pasting, then you press the enter button. Then you drag your mouse again towards the Solidity compiler. Then you click on it. You click on auto compile and then wait for the process to compile the test. It will be done automatically. Don't forget that if you need the Base Network RPC, all you have to do is visit chainlist.org. At the top of the video, you will find the snippet there that will lead you to how to claim testnet RPC or mainnet RPC or MetaMask. We are still waiting for the Solidity compiler to compile the contract code that we have set up right here in this box. There's nothing we have to do here. We just have to wait until the test is compiled. It takes less than 5 minutes unless you have a very terrible network. So yeah, now that the Solidity compiler has compiled our contract, the next step is to confirm the smart contract on the Base Goerli network so that it will be live. So you come here where my mouse is, you click on deploy and run transactions. After clicking on it, you select Remix, you choose injected provider, which is MetaMask wallet. Then you wait for MetaMask pop up so we can sign the transaction. You connect your wallet to the Remix platform and then you click on deploy so that the smart contract will be deployed to the Base Goerli network. Once again, you confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Confirm payment and then you wait until the transaction loads out on the Base network. As you can see, transaction confirmed. We now have a smart contract on the Base network. In case you are wondering, this is our contract ID. It's a simple process and I believe you'll be able to do this very easily. For the rest of the testnet details, you can use the Twitter link on the video description so you are able to claim your base NFT. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.